Are you considering investing in property? Well, here are 3 things to remember before you start investing. Number 1, time frame. Remember, investing in property is a long-term time frame. If your time frame is short, then property may not be the right investment for you. Number 2, are you comfortable taking on an additional investment loan? If you currently already have a mortgage, are you comfortable taking on another investment loan? Remember, if interest rates were to rise, your repayments will also increase. And finally, number 3 is, if the property is not rented, can you afford both mortgage repayments? There are 3 things to consider before investing in property. If you need assistance when it comes to home loans, or if you'd like financial advice, please contact our office, as we would love the opportunity to assist. I'm Clive Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.